Here's the good news. Everything that we do in person is important here. Here's the challenging news. I think the virtual environment, takes more energy and it takes more focus. It's harder. Influence is something I really believe most people believe they're more influential than they really are until they get a chance to take a real close look on their communication verbally and non-verbally. Whatever phone call you're on or whatever Zoom call you are on, just quickly press record on your phone and get it on a record. Here's why I think that's absolutely hands down a make or break for anyone's development. If you're not experiencing yourself through the eyes and ears of your listeners, you walk around life going through this idea of, well, I feel good when I communicate, or I know the topic, it's what I talk about all the time, therefore it's easy. That doesn't mean you're effective. You really need to experience yourself like everyone else experiences you. Use brevity, look at the camera, stop multitasking. Everyone can see you doing it. How will my authenticity, how will my personality come through? So even when people read my email or they read my blog, they feel like they're still connecting with me. Every time you show up for that virtual conversation, your reputation is on the line. Your name is attached to it. Show up as if you are in person.